A popular trend is bringing the look of the outdoors indoors. Often, flooring is a way to capture this, but it's not restricted to wood or wood-look floors. Not anymore. Introducing Resista 3.0, carpet inspired by natural landscapes. Its styles bring textured nuances reminiscent of natural materials into the home. The tailored construction offers timeless design elements coupled with functionality for the style-conscious yet active household. Resista 3.0 is a blend of fashion and performance. Why call it 3.0? Because it's engineered with a patented 3-ply yarn system. This gives it something extra. Extra fiber for a cushier experience and extra twist for longer wear. Another way of viewing it is with 3 appealing features: impressive resilience, outstanding wear, and exceptional value. The colors found in Resista 3.0 carpet highlight its distinctive appeal. Gaze upon the options and their captivating appearance. This is color which endures. It's produced with a solution-dyed fiber, meaning the color is permanent. It won't bleach from spot cleaning, fade from prolonged sunlight exposure, or wear down even in high-traffic areas. Combine the best of both worlds. The multicolors and low pile of Resista 3.0 make it an excellent choice to pair with hard surface. A tranquil charm awaits. Comfort is provided through the use of protective technology. Each carpet resists fading as well as staining from food, beverage, mud, and pet accidents, and its warranties reinforce this security. When a carpet is influenced by the outdoors, it should be considerate of the environment. Resista 3.0 is made using 30% less energy, 42% less greenhouse gases, and 87% less water than traditional manufacturing. Mother Nature would approve. Bask in the light which shines bright on the softness, warmth, and durability of carpet. Visit your local ProSource wholesale showroom and prepare to be amazed with Resista 3.0 carpet. Palettes and textures drawn from nature.